Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the order by statement in SQL. So in this example, I'm going to show you the difference between the descending and ascending option in the order by statement. So I'm just going to connect to our SQL Server Management Studio, and I'm going to connect to our AdventureWorks database. Again, this is a sample database provided by Microsoft, and it's free for you to use. I do have a tutorial on how to download this, and I'll provide the link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. Okay, so I am just going to connect to my AdventureWorks database, which is here. And then I'm just going to query one of our tables called the person.address. So this table right here, the person.address, and I'm just going to see how it looks right now. And I'm selecting top 10, so it's just going to show me the top 10 rows. So this is what I have right now. So let's say if you want to sort it on any one of these columns, we can use the order by statement. So let's say if you want to sort it by address ID, we can just do order by address ID. And once we execute, it's going to show them ordered. It was already ordered, but this statement is going to order them by address ID if it wasn't already ordered. And by default, the order is ascending. So if we use ASC, it's going to do the same thing here. So if we execute it now, it's going to do the same thing here. But let's say if you want to do them by descending order, you can change that to DESC, which would be descending. So now if we do that, it's going to order them by the highest number first, so in descending order. And we can also add multiple rows in here. For example, if we want to add the city in here too, we can add city in the order by statement, and city by default would be ascending, and if you want to do it descending, we can just add descending here. But if we leave it as is, it's just going to order them by the city. For those, for example, let's say if they have the same address 21 32521, it's going to order the city based on that, and it's ascending here. And you can just put descending if you want to see them city in descending order. The other thing you can do in order by statement is you can just put the column number instead of the column name. So let's say if we want to order person.address by city, what you can do is you can add the column number here. So like the column position, so that would be 1 2 3 4. So if you do 4, it's going to order them by city, and it'll be ascending, of course. By default it's ascending. So here it's ascending, and if you want to sort them in descending order, you can just put DESC, which would be descending. So now it's going to order column number 4, which is 1 2 3 4 city in this case, and it's going to sort them in descending order. So if we execute it now, it's going to start with the Z and then Y and so on. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.